Okay, we got this lock, has no markings, no country origin. It's I think it's about a 5-pinner. Does work with the key.
This little trap is gonna make my dad angrier than he's ever been. In the meantime, I gotta tell his internet guys to hold tight. Can I come too? Good idea. You can speak nerd to them. I'm not a nerd, Bart. Nerds are smart. Oh my God! What happened?
Hey, we're filling up like all
There
the
you have
other
it.
internet companies.
Looks like the bubble burst. Bubbles can burst?
Yeah, but it's a golden age for the repo business. One that shall never
Anyways,
end.
peace. Don't break the law.
Bart, it's over.